Morning everyone, this is Mark Leibovit of the Leibovit VR newsletters, and this is a Leibovit VR tutorial here on Monday morning, April 27th. The screen is focused on TNH, Tetra nitrogen, not a household word by any stretch, but trading at the same price or a little more than Apple computers, so definitely there are other names out there. But let me remind you, here at Leibovit VR newsletters, we do offer a series of products, and we have shown these to you before. We have our Leibovit VR Silver newsletter, which is our daily market commentary, our Platinum, which covers daily market commentary plus individual recommendations. We have our Leibovit VR Gold letter, which covers gold, silver, platinum, palladium, crude oil, and many of the futures markets, and not that visual. Leibovit VR Forecaster, which is our VR Forecaster annual report coming out every year based on our cyclical work. Our Vice letter, which is our new exciting product covering sin stocks. So what does that mean? Alcohol, gaming, tobacco, and the new hot cannabinoid stock. So check it out. Our Trader's Book of Volume, available also in Chinese, can be purchased at most major bookstores, but of course it is available on Amazon. Well, here at Esignal we have the Leibovit Volume Reversal Indicator, and it is available in 3 versions. We have our sequential, which posts all positive and negative VRs. That's what I use in these videos. We have our directional, which filters out repetitive volume reversals, and we have our 2-day version, which is based on the premise that when a volume reversal is formed, you tend to get followed through a couple days in the direction of the volume reversal. A free trial is offered here, folks, so I certainly would check it out. Let's go look at TNH again. Well, we had an institutional client that asked us about this stock, and the negative VRs did warn of the pullback. We had suggested to them that after this big run-up and a negative volume reversal here on February 25th, a pullback at least back to support, which I viewed as this high back on January 20th at 133.45 was at least a minimum pullback number. We could see it exceeded that. It got down to 130, but we had 3 negative volume reversals in that period telling you that a pullback was due. Now, if you recall, we used the 533 stochastic as sort of a confirming indicator, a benchmark, so to speak, and when that's in a downtrend, as we saw with this negative volume reversal formed here on April 15th, that you had some nice confirmation. You had a negative VR and the downtrending stochastic here and one here. What do you do with the positive VRs? Well, this positive VR was formed on March 30th, but the stochastic was in a downtrend. I wasn't about to really jump at that, particularly when I saw these 2 previous negative VRs. And we had a positive VR here, but no great conviction in the stochastic there either. And in either case, you really didn't get hurt. It just didn't follow through to the upside. And as a trader, that would tell you that something might be rotten in Denmark, so you would clearly want to step aside, particularly when you look at the VR the way I do. You're looking for somewhat immediate gratification. You know, speaking of gratification, even back here on February 18th, you had a positive VR, rising stochastic. You had a quick couple, 3-4 day move to the upside. So TNH worked out very nicely. I have no opinion on the stock now. It did correct. I see no upside volume, so except for a bounce here, I have no inclination to get long, but let's see if something changes. You are oversold, and you might get a little bounce perhaps up to where this 50-day moving average is around 144, 145, I suppose. But without the volume confirmation, I'm pretty much on the sideline. So I appreciate you checking in. This is Mark Leibovit from the Leibovit VR newsletters. Have a great day.